Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. You will see from the title of this video that Aria, who is nearly, how old are you?
5.
Nearly 5, is going to do my makeup. Because Mika, who is nearly 6, did my makeup, and they're having a competition. They want to see who can do it best. Yeah. So I'll link Mika's video as well. But Ari is gonna, she's got all the same products as Mika. I've just literally got everything out. I've got a list of what we're gonna do, and I'm gonna give her the brushes and tell her what to do and see how good she can do my makeup. So Ari, your first one is primer. Which one do you want to do the roll on, same as Mika? Okay, so you put this all over Mummy's face. This is the Pro Base Smooth Set and Prime Blur Stick. You just put it all over Mummy's face. Are you done?
Mm-hmm.
Mummy will rub that in. Next up, we're going to do eyeshadow. And what colour eyeshadow look do you want to do, Ari? Well, we've got a few palettes. We've got the Morphe 35B.
Pink.
Yeah, so you want to do a pink eyeshadow? Yeah, okay. Get you a brush. What's your favourite colour, Ari?
Pink.
Right, you might have to sit up a little bit. You might have to sit on the table actually. We'll just move this a little bit. And then Ari can sit on the table so she can do my makeup a bit better. Right, you just want to use that pink, or do you want to use other pinks as well? Other pinks as well, okay. So, let me close my eyes. Very gentle.
I'm gonna use that pink.
Yeah, that's a good pink.
I'm gonna use the purple.
Yeah, do you want a different brush for the purple?
Yeah.
What purple do you want to use?
I'm gonna use that.
Oh, you're going to use a gold. Beautiful. Where are you going to put that?
Done.
You're done with eyes, yeah? Okay, that's perfect. What's the next job? Eyebrows. Right. There you go. You know how to do eyebrows? You just got to draw them on. What colour does Mummy do your eyebrows?
Rainbow.
Rainbow. And they look super cool, don't they? You finished with eyebrows? Yeah? Okay. Next up is foundation. So do you want to use a sponge or a brush? The sponge. Do you remember what Mika did? So you have to dab it all over Mummy's face. And you have to blend it in. You're going to blend it with that, or you're going to blend it with the brush?
Blend it with a brush.
Yeah? So you have to make it disappear. That's what you do with foundation. You put it on, and then you have to make it disappear.
Yeah.
You think you can do that? What do you want for your birthday, Ari?
Turtle thing.
Turtle things? You love turtles, don't you? What else do you love?
All of the animals.
All the animals. Anything specific? What about the ones that live near our house?
Me cow.
Moo cows. They're fluffy ones, aren't they? What's your favourite one?
The white and the grey one.
Yeah. Do you want to make it so it's all smoothed in? You start paint it. It's a paint. You're done with that, are you? Okay. Next up is powder. So this is this big one, and you swirl it and you just dab it all over Mummy's face.
Unicorn.
Unicorn brush. Done. Okay. You are going so speedy. Right, bronzer. This is to make Mummy look like she's got a tan. Okay. Next is blusher. Use whatever you want, Ari. Where does blusher go? Oh, that's a pretty one as well. Pink. You can do whatever you want. You're going to put them all on. Done. Next up is highlighter. This is the sparkly one. This goes on here at the top of Mummy's cheeks. Wow, look how shiny I am. Do you like it? Uh-oh, next is eyeliner. You can do this one? So, do you want the stamp? Yeah? So you have a stamp. So you stamp this side, and then you stamp that side, and then you draw it with a pen. So you do this bit first. So point it that way for this eye. Perfect, and then turn it that way, and then do the same on that eye. Have a look. Perfect. Good placement. And then you've got to join them up. It's like a big felt pen. Wow, you like it? You want some glitter eyeliner as well? Yeah. Mascara Mummy's gonna do. And then last up is lipstick. Aria's chose a Douce Luscious Lip Stain in the colour Holiday Getaway. I've never used this before. Is that all finished? Mummy's whole face is finished? Is there lipstick on my teeth? Oh no! Is it gone? Wow, Ari, what's your favourite bit you did? Lipstick. Should we zoom in and have a look? This is my eyeliner. You did a really good job making the stamps the same, Ari. They're brilliant. And a very neat curved line. And you did a really nice job on my foundation. Very good. Who do you think's won? You or Mika?
Me.
What are you going to win?
Chocolate bar.
A chocolate bar? Who said you could have a chocolate bar?
Yeah.
Did I? When did I say that?
I win it again.
No, I don't think I did. Did I?
You did.
Fine. Do you want to go and get Mika?
Yeah.
Mika! We'll see what Mika thinks. What do you think of Ari's work?
That's nice.
Who did the best job?
Me, Papa.
Ari thinks she did. Who's going to get the chocolate bar, Ari?
Me. Maybe it's both of us.
Switzerland, not Switzerland. So thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.